converting between fractions, decimals, and percentages. So, first of all, 34.627 can be written in headed columns as the 3 is in the tens column, the 4 is in the units column, the 6 is in the tenths, 2 is in the hundredths, and 7 is in the thousands. It's just useful to state that because you can then know what that actual 7 means when you write it down as a decimal. Pause the video and have a go at examples 3 and 4. Well, 9 tenths as a decimal. The tenths column is here, so you'd have a 9 in that column. And that gives 0.9. Express 23 hundredths as a decimal. Well, the hundredths column is the second decimal place, so you're going to have 23 from there. And then you need to have the 0 point before that. So 3 hundredths, 23 hundredths. You can see then that 20 hundredths is the same as 2 tenths.